Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. We got our beautiful Caribbean sunset, turquoise, got some magenta in there, nice deeper purple, got that beautiful tie-dye. Trying to get it rinsed out on the outside with the cool water. We're going to move inside with the warm. To the inside. Let's get it unbandaged. Whoa, cool, that looks really good. Look at that. Wow. Nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful little small tie-dye tee. Nice little pattern across it. This was her little spiral scrunch. As you see, the spiral, the definition on it didn't come out too good, probably because of how long it sat. We did soak it completely, and it all just kind of ran together because it was a watercolor soak, which makes this cool hue and pattern up here. But unfortunately, it looks like our spiral just wasn't quite tight enough, but that's okay. It still made a beautiful shirt nonetheless. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.